Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix the NSIS error writing temporary file problem. Step 1, restart and reattempt installation. Restart your computer and try running the installer again. It's possible the issue is due to a temporary glitch or a corrupt installer. Consider re-downloading the installer before trying again. Step 2, clear temporary files. Open the search menu and type %temp%, then press enter. This will open the temp folder containing temporary files. Press Ctrl+A to select all items, then right-click and select the trash icon Delete. If prompted, check Do This for all current items, and click Continue or Skip as needed. It's normal if some files can't be deleted, they may be in use. Step 3, adjust Windows Insider Service. Open the search menu and type Services, then open it. Find the Windows Insider Service and double-click it. Set the startup type to manual. If the service is stopped, click Start, then Stop and Start again. Step 4, run System File Checker SFC. Open the search menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. Type the command SFC scanout and press Enter. Wait for the scan to finish. This may take several minutes. After it completes, close the window and restart your computer. There was an error writing a temporary file. Make sure your temp folder is valid is usually due to temporary file or permission issues. Following the steps above should help resolve the issue. Thank you for following this guide.